Hi, this is James, Drop and Track Shop. Today I'm going to show you how to operate your bunk heater. First thing we need to do, just come over here. All you do is hit this button. Make sure it'll say heater enabled. Once that happens, it means your heater's on. All you have to do at that point is just hit these buttons here. This increases your temperature, this decreases your temperature. It tells you right here what you're setting your temperature at. Here's where the air comes out that's heated. This is the air inlet, which pulls the air in from the cab, so you can make sure this area here stays clear. It does take up to 5 minutes for this thing to start up. I mean, it could be quicker, but it could take up to 5 minutes. The system will actually prime itself 2 to 3 times to try to start up. If it does not start up in that time, the system will shut down. You'll have to come back through, try to restart it again. If it does not restart after the second time of trying to, there's probably something wrong with the unit. You probably need to get into a shop. But again, very important to keep in mind, it could take up to 5 minutes for this thing to actually start. So just because you turn it on and you feel air coming out, that air is not going to be hot right away. It's going to take up to 5 minutes for it to actually get warm. So that's it. Your S-bar's running.